Now, an announcement could come as early as today about whether the FDA is going to authorize a second vaccine that prevents the coronavirus. An advisory panel overwhelmingly approved Moderna's version of the vaccine Thursday. WMAR2 News' Megan Knight's at the live desk right now following the latest developments on this story, and they could come at any time. Megan, what would need to happen before Moderna can start sending out doses of the vaccine?
Officially approved just yet, Christian. So the FDA commissioner actually needs to give his final approval before Moderna can begin shipping doses out to hospitals across the country. And that's the decision we're waiting for. It could come at any moment. So of course we will keep you posted as soon as we learn of what that decision is. Now, Moderna's vaccine is nearly 95% effective. It does require 2 doses, just like the Pfizer vaccine that's being given out right now. It does not require, though, special freezers like Pfizer, so it can be stored in a normal freezer. And health experts believe that's going to be a lot easier to distribute, especially to rural hospitals that might not have that equipment necessary to store Pfizer's vaccine. Now, after 7 hours of debate yesterday, an advisory panel with the FDA did approve emergency use of Moderna's vaccine in a vote of 20-0. One member of that panel saying that this vote was more overwhelmingly in favor this time around than even last week with Pfizer's vaccine. And they really believe that these vaccines overall are going to help us get out of the end to the pandemic.
I think that this is a really opportune time for us to move science forward, and I would say that the evidence that has been studied in great detail on this vaccine is highly outweighs any of the issues that we've seen, and I think it really supports us being able to, with the pandemic in our background, really move forward and finally provide a safe and effective way to get to herd immunity.
And that is the ultimate goal. So once approved by the FDA commissioner, Moderna will start sending out 6 million doses of its vaccine across the country immediately. And Maryland is expected to receive about 100,000 doses of that. And of course, that's going to go right to healthcare workers and first responders, as well as staff and residents of nursing homes. And earlier this week, Dr. Jinling Chan, the head of the state health department, said that Maryland could start seeing shipments of Moderna's vaccine as early as next Tuesday. But of course, and again, it's going to depend on how soon the FDA officially approves it. So, Christian, we're going to be keeping our eye on that, and we'll let you know as soon as we hear.
Okay.